How to download the MHSET hall ticket for the exam on 27 December 2020. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe the channel. The exam date for MHSET Maharashtra State SET exam declared as 27 December 2020. So here is the link to download the admit card. You can copy this link in the browser and go on the web page. I will be showing how to download the admit card. The exam will be in two sections without break. For the paper 1, it will be starting at 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. For the paper 2, it is from 11:30 to 1:30. So you just copy this link to download. Go in the Google or browser. This will be the site of Maharashtra State Eligibility Test. So here you will see the instructions to the candidates appearing for the MSc 2020 exam. So examination hall or block will be open 60 minutes before the commencement of the examination. Let's read out all other instructions given so that it will facilitate our examination. So student will not be allowed to enter into examination hall once the examination has commenced. So be on time in the examination hall. The seating arrangement will be done by following the social distancing measures. The student should not open the seal of the test booklet before the start of the exam. So there will be no break between the two sessions. So you have to sit from 10 to 1:30 p.m. You will be given the test booklet of a subject specified in admit card. Then we know that this is the offline exam, so you have to mark the answers on the OMR sheet. On the OMR sheet and the booklet, you have to specify your number, your name of the candidate, seat number, subject code properly, the OMR sheet code, and the exam or the booklet, test booklet code should be same. If it is not, you have to ask the invigilator for the same numbers. If the student found to be right mobile number or mentioning any identity on the OMR sheet, it is not allowed. It will be considered as the unfair means. Again, very important instructions for the MSc exam is you have to carry your own ball pen, ink pen, eraser, pencil, ink, etc., whatever you require. Again, you have to wear the mask, you have to bring your own sanitizer at the examination hall. That is mentioned in the public notice given on the main site. Also, they are mentioned you have to wear the hand gloves. Again, other instructions is you are not allowed to use a calculator, log table, etc. You are not allowed to carry the mobile phone, satellite phone, pager, etc. at the examination hall. The period assigned for each paper includes time for entering the information on the OMR sheet and test booklet. Separate time will not be given to make entries on the OMR sheet and the test booklets. So here are some bail timings mentioned: 60 minutes before commencement of the examination, commencement of the examination 15 minutes before conclusion of each session. And on the conclusion of the each session, the four bells will ring there. At the end of each session, student must return their OMR sheet to the invigilator. Okay, so the students are not allowed to do the smoking, chewing, tobacco, or tea and other eatables in the examination hall. You should not do any type of copying. Information given in the online application form will not be changed under any circumstances. And you should carry the identity proof, photo identity proof. Either you can bring the Aadhaar card, election card, PAN card, or driving license, etc. The student should follow the instructions given by the invigilator or superintendent. Here are some instructions for the disability students. If you are visually challenged, will given the additional 20 minutes. Again, additional instructions to the student. 1. You should be present for the both papers. If you are absent for paper 1, not allowed to appear for the paper 2. No mark sheet will be given to qualified and non-qualified candidates. In addition, there is no provision of re-evaluation of the answer sheet. So the result declared by the university will be provisional. It will be confirmed on fulfillment of eligibility requirement. So the paper 1 will consist of 50 multiple choice questions. Paper 2 consists of 100 multiple choice questions. Each question in both sections it carries 2 marks. So paper 1 will be of 100 marks, paper 2 of 200 marks, so total 300 marks. Except for the mathematical science. The syllabus for, if you are not downloaded the syllabus, you can download the syllabus given in the below link, which is at the MHSET site. So these are all the instructions given. Again, additional instructions to students regarding the OMR sheet. It is sealed within the test booklet itself. The seal should not be broken before the commencement of examination. If it is, you have to note it to the invigilator. In the SAT examination, scanning of OMR sheet is strictly conducted through optical mark reader technology on the basis of entries made by the candidates. So be careful while marking the answers. So you should mark it completely and you should follow the boundaries. It should not go outside of the circle. You can use any ball pen to mark this, black or blue pen. So students are not allowed to change the answer once shaded. So don't make any cross and again remark the answer. Once it is marked, let it be even if you know that it is wrong. Now tick the checkbox. I have read all the instructions and also downloaded the sample OMR copy. Click on the link download sample OMR sheet to view the sample OMR sheet. I have clicked on the sample OMR sheet. It will start the downloading. Once it is downloaded, you can view it. Yes, it is opening. Download the OMR sheet. So OMR sheet is downloaded. Here is the OMR sheet. Go through the sample OMR sheet. This is the paper one. You have to enter the name as per your admit card. You can skip one box in between the name, two names, surname and first name. Again, you have to enter the seat number in the numbers and the corresponding numbers. You have to bubble it, mark it with the black or blue pen. You have to enter the correct subject code, and the booklet code is given on this. Same for the paper 2. You go through both the booklets for the paper 1 and paper 2. Now again go back to the site to download the admit card. Click on the proceed button. It will start downloading your admit card. Let's go. Yes, it is asking for entering the application number, and then you are to select your date of birth. I have entered the sample application number. You have to enter your correct application number, then select the month like this, date of birth. First select your year, then select the birth month, and then click on the date, and then click on the download admit card button. Yes, now it will start downloading the admit card. So this is how you can download your admit card. Take the printout and bring that at the examination hall. So this is how you can download your admit card. You have to go to the SET Unipune link to download the admit card. You have to enter your application number and you have to select your date of birth. Click on the download admit card. You will have your admit card. Now I am hiring with this admit card. These are the instructions given on the admit card. I think it will not be clearer to you, but these are the very basic and important instructions given on the admit card that you have to carry out your AD. And all these instructions we have already discussed in detail. So go download your admit card, read the instructions and follow the instructions. All the best for your exam. Crack it. Thank you.